Hi, it's Steve here at the Warwick Solutions Academy. On today's Training Tuesday, I'm going to be discussing the advantages of R290 refrigerant, which is inside the new Baxi air source heat pump HP60. When it comes to the Baxi HP60, the R290 refrigerant inside is a cleaner natural refrigerant which has a much lower GWP of around 3. That means that if it does leak, it is less harmful to the environment than other refrigerants. With all heat pumps, we should be designing to the lowest possible flow temperature to ensure that we have high efficiencies and lower running costs. With R290, we can possibly achieve higher outlet water temperatures. That does not mean that we design it to higher temperatures. All it means is that if we have a cold snap, we could potentially increase the flow temperature for a short window to give us warmer radiator temperatures, as well as increased water temperatures in our cylinder. With all stored hot water cylinders, we're going to need to heat the cylinder up to 65 degrees at least once a week for pasteurization. With R290 heat pumps, we can achieve that with the heat pump alone without a backup element heater. So, today we've explained to you the benefits of using R290 refrigerant, which is inside the new Baxi HP60. For more information, contact your local area sales manager or head on over to baxi.co.uk/training.